Hello, I'm Edmund from itopkitchen. Today I will introduce you the cooking machine. So now open. Here is the temperature, is the degree Celsius. The current temperature. Or the power or the temperature are here to set the timer, okay? So now we try to operate this machine now. Only press the open. So here to add water. And here can modify the speed of this machine to rotate speed up or down. So another time for the wash function is by automatic. Because the actually is all finished by automatically, and the temperature is will be set to about 80 degrees Celsius, because this temperature is good for wash this bowl, not too high or too low. You see, 10 seconds finish. You can see it's very simple. Here the distributor, the bowl is easy to help the customer to make the after sales. And here, just because they are inside has a lock, just remove a little and can take out to place this bowl. And I will show you another advantage of our cooking machine. This machine, you see the bowl is quite different outside other products, because this bowl we make the mold by ourselves. So you see it's not go straight and have the arch to, you see, and the design inside, when we cooking the machine, so normally the juice will not stay in the bowl. They will fall down with the food to make the food disher.